Hey guys, it's your girl Priceless Beauty, and today, another wig review. Like, I made this day for a wig review. Yep, so this is another hair from Rola Company. Yeah, it's from Miss Rola Company. It's beauty fashion hair. I love it. This is supposed to be long hair, so let's get it out and see. So straight from the pack, this is a lace hair. It's a lace wig. I'm not sure about the length though, because I was expecting it to be long. So guys, this is how it looks like out of the pack. So this is how it looks like, guys, straight from the pack. It's 18 inches I've got. I'm not sure if it's true to length though, because it doesn't look really long to me, especially with straight hair. So this is like where the lace is. So the lace is like on a small part, but it's okay because that's where you part it. It's a middle pattern, and this is how. So they've done a good job with the pattern. It's really nice and clear. All you do is like put your foundation in it for it to make look more real. And it's like the pattern is, this is the 6 inches long pattern. It's the 6 inch long pattern, so it's really long part, which is always lovely. So yeah, I love my first impression. I love it. The only thing that I'm not sure of is the length, whether it's 18 inches. I can't find my measuring tape to measure it. So this is their label. It says 18-inch straight, 18-inch straight natural. Normally straight hair is really long. So yeah, when you open it, it's got like a comb here and another comb here and another comb here, and it's got an adjustable stripe here. So you use this stripe to help the wig tight you much better, to adjust how it tight on you. So yeah, so I've got small hair, so this adjustment, the adjustment stripe is always handy for me. So yeah, this is how it looks like straight from the back. So I'm just going to put it on and show you guys. So guys, this is it. This is it on, and this is the pattern. Look how long the pattern is. Like, go all the way to the back there. I love how the pattern is. It looks great on me. I love it. My first impression, I love it. The only thing negative is the length. I think this is definitely a 16 inches length. I know a 16 inches length. I've just reviewed one wig that is 16 inches and it's like the same length as this one, and it's straight. So this is a straight hair. Normally it's a curly hair that is shrink. This is not curly hair, it's a straight hair. So this is not true to the length. This is not true to the length. I'm just going to give my honest opinion. This is not sponsored video. I bought the hair myself. So this is not an 18 inches long, because 10 inches hair is like, you know, when you buy 8 inches, it's up to this hair, a bob, and then 10 inches is up to this hair side. This is 12 inches, 14 inches, 16 inches. It's definitely 16 inches. I buy wigs all the time. I buy human hair wigs all the time. I know the length for a curly hair, 18 inches. I've got a curly hair, 18 inches, and it's even longer than this. And it's a curly hair, and it's longer than this. So this one, 18 inches, and a straight hair, is definitely not true to the length. It's not true to the length. What about the thickness? The thickness is okay. It's not bad. I think it's not too thick and it's not too light. It's just perfect For me, for the thickness, for me, it's perfect for me. I'm happy with the thickness, and I'm so happy with the pattern. It's like really nice. It suits my face. I love it. So this is my back. This is how the back looks. Guys, comment down below if you think it's like an 18-inch or you think I'm right. It's 16 inches. I can't find my tape measure. I will have measured it. But for my opinion, I think this is like, from my experience of buying so many wigs, I think this is, look at that, guys. Look at it. I think this is a 16 inches wig. They didn't send me an 18 inches. But I'm happy with the wig. I was just accepted like that. I'm happy with it. It's nice and light, and it looks natural. It looks like you've straightened your own hair, those that have long hair. Yeah. So I love it. It looks nice on me. You don't need a lot of work done if like you're a beginner of wig. Like you're just beginning to wear wig. This is easier for you. I'm just gonna cut that and it's done. So I'm just going to wear it a few days, and then I will just share my final opinion about the wig. But so far the texture is good. It feels like really nice and soft. You can just easily comb it with your hand. You can easily comb it. It's 100% human hair. Yep, this is a good company. The quality of their hair is good. But the only difference that the only issue I have with them is this being like an 18 inches. So this is how it looks like when I put it on. Now I got it from Miss Rola. The sun is bright outside. I'm not gonna put any product on it. All I'm just gonna do is brush it. This is the pattern, and it's really long pattern. This is how it looks close up. See if you can see it better. Much better. So this is how it looks, and this is my back. This yeah, so this is the outcome. I think it looks nice and natural. I like the way it turned out. Can you shut the curtain for me a bit, please? I like the way it turns out. Oh yeah, much better now. Like that? Yeah. So this is the pattern. Yeah. So this is it. It looks natural. I didn't use any glue or anything at all to gel it down. It fit perfect. If you're using it day to day, you don't need to gel it down or anything. It doesn't have anywhere to go. It's not going to come off. You can even sleep with it. Tie it. When I tie it, this is how it looks like. Yeah. So I hope you like it. So this is Miss Rola wig. So I'll put the link down below if you want to purchase it. I'll put the link down below. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. It's very important you subscribe. Yeah, to get more updates of more wigs coming up. Thank you. Bye.
Every single day